Alright, so today we're going to be opening.
Draganoid!
Is that what's called?
Draganoid Bakugan.
Dragon!
And here's some collectibles. We have Double Decker, Grave Digger, Monster Mutt, which my mom does not like Monster Mutt. Monster Mutt, Rottweiler, whatever. Zombie is scary. El Toro Loco, Earth Shaker, we don't have that version. Dragon, and what's
Bulldozer.
Bulldozer. What?
All right.
Bulldozer looks like El Toro Loco.
It does,
So
doesn't
let's
it?
go again.
Alright, hold on.
Give me.
So this is Draganoid. So,
Bakugan.
Monster Jam.
Darkness type from Bakugan.
Oh, he's from Bakugan.
At the end,
Oh, okay.
Draganoid. What
The one that we saw in Geogon Rising was the fire type, but this is the darkness type.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Which type of Bakugan is he from?
Let me see.
Take that.
Let's show it. Let's show it to our fans. Does that do anything?
No.
It does this.
All right, guys, let the fans see it.
Look. We can search his
It says Bakugan on it.
Let's see, only Bakugan?
Does the wing move?
No.
No. So just
But
the
it
horn.
does this.
Oh. Okay, and the horn moves.
Oh.
Yeah. The horn moves.
Hey,
Okay,
Mom,
and then it has the wheelie thing, huh?
I want to get off.
Thanks. Get back on. Wow.
All right.
Let's see what's
So
here.
that's another Monster Jam for our collection, huh, Kawan?
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Go on the bike.
Hey, stay tuned.
Let's eat back.
Bye.